Welcome to G&T's Kitchen. This is Raisin Loaves. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Enjoy. Let's begin with the dry ingredients. The flour has been sifted. This is baking powder. So I'm going to sieve this as well. Next is the cinnamon. Sieve that too. The sugar. Finally, salt. So it's time to whisk in everything together. I've got eggs here, so I'll just beat the eggs together. I'm going to combine the milk and the beaten eggs in another bowl. So I'm going to mix it together and then we'll set this aside. This is the raisins I'm going to use, so I'm going to chop it. This loaf is not so sweet. These raisins provide the sweetness. So I'm going to add the milk and the eggs inside the flour mixture and I'm going to fold it together. Loaf should be eaten within 2 days if you do not refrigerate, but if it's in the fridge, it could stay longer. So I'm still folding it. It's time to add the vegetable oil now. So I just pour the vegetable oil inside. So it has been mixed together very well. So lastly, I'm going to pour in the raisins and then I'm going to fold it in. So let's begin to fold it in. So I have preheated the oven and also the pan. The loaf pan should be greased. So I'm just going to pour the batter inside and I'm going to bake in the oven until it is done. So it is done. I'm going to let it stand for 5 to 10 minutes before I remove from the pan.